Click on moving windows with window clicker action. Now you can automate mouse clicking on a window even when it changes its location. The window clicker action automatically remembers the window on which left mouse click is added with keyboard shortcut in Auto Mouse Click by Murgy.com, available at https://www.murgy.com/auto-mouse-click/. Adding a left mouse click to click on a specific window is really easy and can be done just like adding a left click on the screen. The window clicker action can handle one unique window with a specific title and class. Yes, you can modify the window search parameters by double-clicking on the window clicker action. When you add a window clicker action to the script, location of the click on the window is stored, and to search the window, name and class of the window are also stored in the script. You can specify partial window name and search parameters, however the class name should be either accurate or it can be discarded and left blank in window search parameters. When the script is run, the Auto Mouse Click by Murgy.com searches for the window, and if it is found, then it calculates the mouse click location and performs the mouse click. In case the window to be searched is not found, the script aborts. You can use Show Window action to make sure the desired window is visible on the screen. This window clicker action is designed to automate left mouse click on the screen on a specific window irrespective of its location.